Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through solutions to fix the Kernelbase Dll error on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. The Kernelbase Dll error can be frustrating, but there are a couple of effective methods to resolve it. First, we will address potential issues with Microsoft C++ redistributable. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Navigate to the latest supported download page. Scroll down the page until you find the x64 version and click to download it. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and select the repair option. This process will check and fix any corrupted or missing C++ redistributable files which often cause such errors. If the Kernelbase Dll error persists after repairing the C++ redistributable, the next step involves using the System File Checker tool. Search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar. Right-click on the Command Prompt result and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the command sfc:/scannow and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of all protected system files and replace incorrect versions with correct Microsoft versions. Please be patient as this scan may take some time to complete. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.